everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today in Malware news, we've entered an era where misinformation is becoming a major cybersecurity issue. Lately, hackers took over 2 Polish government websites to propagate fake news around radioactive threats. Polish websites for the National Atomic Energy Agency and Health Ministry were hacked to spread fake information around non-existent radioactive leaks. Officials suspect Russian cybercriminals behind the act. Meanwhile, another group of cybercriminals were spotted abusing the COVID-19 relief legislation that just got signed into law in the U.S. to distribute malware. Cybercriminals are impersonating the IRS in a new campaign that exploits the American Rescue Act in lures offering $4,000 in financial assistance and perks such as skipping the queue for vaccinations. Cybercriminals were found exploiting text messaging services to secretly divert messages from the users to hackers for only $16. Additionally, hackers can even revert to incoming texts. We hope that you're staying safe out there in the cyber world, and please give us a call if you need any assistance. We're here to help.